Hi guys, it's Mandy and thank you so much for tuning in to another video on Kongsumer today. And I want to start off by saying if you are not subscribed to Kongsumer, please click that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos that are going to be coming out soon. So today's video is going to be another air purifier review. And we have actually been using this air purifier in our downstairs area. And we wanted to thank the company Renpho for sending us this air purifier for us to test out and review for all of you. We are really excited to go over all the great features that this air purifier has to offer. And we've been using one up in our upstairs in our bedroom for probably about a year. And we can really tell a difference in the air upstairs. So we wanted to try one downstairs for a while to see if that helped. Now, I don't know where you guys live, but we live down in the south and it is just starting to be pollen season and we're in the definite beginnings of pollen season. And pretty soon you're going to walk out and everything is going to be covered in yellow pollen. Your eyes and nose just are awful. So even though it is just the beginning of the pollen season, I am definitely feeling the effects. Now, I have allergies mostly in my eyes. I usually want to scratch my eyeballs out. And that's why we were so excited to be able to test out this air purifier to see if it made a difference on my eye allergy. And I have to tell you, it really has helped a lot. In the time that we have been using this, my eyes haven't been itchy or scratchy or watery. It really has made a big difference. So I'm anxious to go ahead and tell you about this air purifier. And if you are interested in checking out this Renpho Air Purifier, I will put the links in the description down below. So let's get started and let me tell you about this Renpho Air Purifier. This is the Renpho Air Purifier. This purifier has a 4-stage filtration system. It has 3 fan speeds, air quality sensor and indicator, quiet sleep mode, a timer, a key lock function, and a filter replacement reminder. We are going to take a look at each of these a little more in depth. And make sure you check out the discount code in the description below. So first off, let's take a look at the 4-stage filtration system. This 4-in-1 filter combines the power of a pre-filter, charcoal filter, an activated carbon filter, and True HEPA filter in one. The pre-filter captures initial large particles in the air such as pet dander. The charcoal filter absorbs particles and dust. Activated carbon filter eliminates and neutralizes various household odors such as pet odors. And the True HEPA filter effectively removes 99.97% of airborne pollutants like dust mite matter, cigarette smoke, wildfire smoke, pollen, non-living matter, allergens, and particles as small as 0.3 microns. So now let's talk about the 3 fan speeds and the auto mode for this purifier. There are 3 different fan speeds, which are low, medium, and high, or you can switch the purifier to auto mode. When the auto mode is turned on, the fan speed is automatically adjusted based on the live air quality measurements. Now I am going to turn on the air purifier so you can hear the fan on all 3 speeds. So let's go ahead and turn it on. And this is the low speed, which is number 1. And now I'm going to turn it up to medium speed, which is number 2. And now I'm going to go ahead and turn it to number 3, which is high. Now this next feature we are going to go over is one of my favorites about this air purifier. It's the air quality sensor and indicator. This indicates the surrounding air quality automatically. The indicator light will change to blue, orange, and red according to the air quality. So let me tell you what the colors mean. If your indicator is showing red, that means that they consider your air to be bad. Just means that your air really needs to be cleaned. If the indicator is orange, it means that your air is fair. And if the indicator is blue, that means you are good to go, your air is clean, and you're good. And I really like that the indicator is so easy to see. It's great to just do a quick glance and I know what my air quality is. This air purifier also has an automatic timer. After it's on for 2, 4, or 8 continuous hours, depending on what you have it set at, it will turn itself off. And there is also a quiet sleep mode. Simply turn the air purifier to sleep mode and it will operate at its most quiet level, which is 35 dB. The lights will dim, giving you a nice restful sleep. The last feature that we're going to talk about today is great if you have small kids or toddlers in the house. It is the key lock function. Now this function, if you turn it on, will keep your air purifier off. So which is great if your toddler loves to push buttons and turn things on and off. This function will keep that from happening. There is a filter replacement indicator on this air purifier and it will let you know which air filter needs to be replaced. Renpho suggests that you replace your filters every 6 months. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the dimensions of the Renpho air purifier. The height is 17.1 inches, the width is 10.2 inches, and the depth is 5.7 inches. And it circulates air in rooms up to 301 square feet. So now let's go ahead and take a close-up look at the control panel and how easy it is to use. Here is the on-off button. Beside that, we have the fan speed and auto mode. As you can see here is low, medium, high, and auto. Next is the sleep mode button. Here is the timer button. 2, 4, and 8 hours. Then here is the key lock mode. After that is the air quality button. This turns the indicator lights on and off. The last button is the filter indicator. Then behind the control panel is the air vent. I also want to show you how easy it is to put these filters in. And what makes it even easier is they're numbered. Now when you're putting the filters back in, you will want to start with number 4, which is the True HEPA Filter. Next is number 3, which is the carbon filter. And then after that, this one actually is not numbered. It's the only one that's not numbered, and it is the charcoal filter. This velcros to the carbon filter. The last filter you will put in is the pre-filter. There are 2 tabs on the bottom and 2 tabs on the side of this filter. You just place those into the appropriate areas and snap the filter into place. Then you push the top into place until you hear a click. Finally, you put the front panel back on and you're ready to go. We have been really happy with this Renpho air purifier. We really like the clean, sleek look of the air purifier, and the size is great. It fits perfectly where we wanted it to, and we really like the fact that it is so easy to use. When we first turned it on, we had the orange indicator light, and it took less than 30 minutes, probably 15-20 minutes, until we had the blue indicator telling us that our air was clean and good to go. And the best part about using this air purifier is my eyes can tell a difference. I am not wanting by the end of the evening to scratch out my eyeballs, which is a huge, tremendous plus for me. We would totally recommend this air purifier if you are looking for something that's quiet and small and has a really clean, sleek finish. Even though it is so small, it really does get the job done. And to be honest, I really have not heard a purifier that's this quiet. If it's on the low speed, you have to be right up beside it to know that it's on. And that's great, especially if you have it in the sleep mode. You're not going to be able to hear it while you're sleeping. And if you're interested in checking out this Renpho Air Purifier, I will put the links down in the description. And again, I want to thank Renpho for sending us this air purifier so we can get the word out to all of you. And if you're not subscribed, please click that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!